Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to USDA, ribs are done when they are 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal temp, but they may still be tough. If you take them up to 190 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, the collagens and fats melt at this temp and make the meat more tender and juicy. 21 March 2012.
Take our lead.
Bake the ribs. Set the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Move the ribs to an oven rack in the middle of the oven. Bake 2.5 to 3 hours for spare ribs or 1.5 to 2 hours for baby back ribs. Halfway through cooking, cover the ribs with aluminum foil to protect them from drying out. 2 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bend test. When ribs are done cooking, they're flexible but don't fall apart. To check, hold the rack from the end with a pair of tongs. The other end should bend towards the ground and cracks may form in the crust.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The accepted finished temperature of pork is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. However, this has not given the collagen inside your ribs time to become gelatin for that perfect bite. That begins to happen when temperatures inside the meat reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking ribs until they reach around 195 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum render.
Take our lead.
Bake at 275 degrees for 2.5 hours. If using the barbecue sauce, baste the ribs with the sauce and bake for 30 minutes more. The ends of the rib bones will be exposed and the meat should be very, very tender. 12 January 2011.
Let's help you make your mark.
203 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside, the meat should be extremely tender. Alternatively, take an internal temperature reading. The ribs should be done when they reach 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them rest for at least 30 minutes before serving. Beef ribs are served on the bone, but great for sharing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.